With Wayfinder Voyage Simulator, you can quickly determine whether a vessel has enough fuel to complete a voyage or if you need to bunker along the way. In this example, I'm planning a voyage from Tabagno to Kandla with the vessel Amsterdam. First, I'll simulate the shortest route at 13 knots. Using the Amsterdam's unique vessel performance model and so far's forecasted weather, we can estimate fuel consumption and voyage costs. As you can see, this is the total fuel required. If the vessel has this amount on board plus a safety margin, we can confidently sail directly to Kandla without stopping to bunker. But what if we want to refuel along the way? With the Voyage Simulator, it is easier to test different options by creating a multi-leg voyage. Here, the bunker stop in Singapore before continuing on to Kandla. In this example, I want to make sure that I'm simulating at the same speeds. 13 knots. I give myself ample time in Singapore of about 10 hours and make sure to simulate the second leg at the same 13 knots. Now we can instantly compare the results, including the additional stop cost and time introduced by the stop. With Wayfinder, operators and captains can quickly evaluate these different routes, speeds, and bunkering strategies and choose the best plan for the voyage ahead.